Welcome to our next tutorial of QUICKSURFACE. When we make reverse engineering, quite often we can see that some of the elements are actually repeated in the object. In this case, we need only to model this part and then actually to offset this into space and not being bothered about remodeling again. What we have for these purposes is what we call a linear pattern. The way it works is you just pick the surface where you modeled our area of interest, and then we go to pattern and select linear pattern. What the software does is that automatically, I'll just hide the mesh because we don't need it at the moment, automatically pick the x-axis, which in this case is backward, and creates a number of instances we specify. In our case, we need a y-axis, so we can see our new instance here. Of course, you can always press the flip direction, which defines on which side of the direction we want to create these instances. You can specify the number of instances in this direction. For example, I may create 3 and then you press preview. So now we have 3 instances of the same object along the y-axis. Also, you can specify the spacing. I will just use this edit box and press 40 and press preview. I will show my mesh and see where my object is. In this case it's not enough, and then I can play until I get the desired location. Also, you can use another direction, which can be any arbitrary axis or a line that has been defined. I will just cancel this for now and want to show you how to use our lines as a reference. If this is arbitrary in space, we may want to actually create a pattern along this line. And for this purpose, I will just use primitives and I will create my reference line. I will make this line as a constructed of the intersection of 2 planes. We'll pick this plane and this one, and this is my line here. Also, we may want to generate a pattern along this line, for example, and I will create for the demonstration another line here. I'll pick this plane, I'll pick this plane. So these are the 2 lines which I'll use as my reference to create my pattern. Again, I will select my object, I will select pattern, linear pattern. In this case, instead of using the coordinate system axis, I will just use the pick mode and will highlight my line, which is reference, and click on it. Now, instead of using the y-axis, we actually use the line which we have defined. Again, I can use the 2 instances here and we'll put 45 and press preview. If we have an array, we can also use the second direction, and the second direction also can be aligned to one of the coordinate system axis or an axis which is picked from the scene. I will just click on this line to define where my duplication will be. I can play with the flip direction, and also I can play with some distances. For example, here I can put 30 and press preview. In such a way you can define your linear pattern either in a single direction or in 2 directions. Another trick that it's useful, I will just use disable this direction, you can press OK, is that you can make a pattern of an existing pattern. So if I pick this pattern, I can create another linear pattern, and then I can just pick my direction 1. This is in this case exactly the same, but if you want to create an array and if you want to create a duplication or instances in another direction, you can create more instances of this object. I hope this information is useful. Thank you for watching.